Today I'm showing you how to make my chocolate orange brownie cookies, or brookies. They're super chocolatey, rich, and chewy with a delicious hint of orange and that signature crackly brownie top we all love. The full recipe is in the video description below, so let's get started. First, melt the butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once it's just about melted, throw in your chopped chocolate. You're going to want to stir it regularly at this point because chocolate burns really easily. Once it's melted, turn off the heat, add your cocoa powder, whisk until completely smooth, and set aside. Next, add your flour and baking powder to a medium bowl and mix until combined. Now, pour the granulated sugar into another medium bowl. Add to it the zest of one orange, being careful to avoid the white pith underneath, which can taste bitter. Using your fingertips, rub the zest into the sugar until it resembles damp sand and smells amazing. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add 3 large room temperature eggs, the salt, and the orange infused sugar. Fit the paddle attachment and beat starting at a low speed and gradually increasing to medium-high until the eggs are very light and fluffy. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. You can use a hand mixer for this recipe, but this step will take a few minutes longer. It should look like this when you're done. Now, add the vanilla extract and a neutral tasting oil such as grapeseed and mix at medium speed for another minute or so until smooth and homogeneous. Add the chocolate and butter you melted earlier, which should have cooled down enough by now to not cook the eggs. Mix on medium speed until smooth and homogeneous, about 2 to 3 minutes. Give everything a good scrape before adding your dry ingredients. Mix on the lowest speed just until combined. If you overmix the dough, you'll activate too much gluten in the flour, and your cookies could turn out tough instead of rich and chewy. Using a medium cookie scoop or 2 tablespoons, scoop out portions of the dough and place on a parchment or silicone mat lined baking sheet at least 3 inches apart. Pop the cookies into a preheated 350° Fahrenheit or 180° Celsius oven until puffed, spread, and the tops have cracked. Allow to cool for 5 to 10 minutes on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it! These cookies are so chocolatey, soft, chewy, and with a subtle hint of orange from the zest, I think they're perfect to make for the holidays. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you make this recipe, leave me a comment and let me know how it turned out.